que tinc aquí. És el pare de Louis Olinde. Olinde's father, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm enjoying the game, enjoying that Louis is here finally.
Are you happy with Louis Olinde in Manresa?
Yes, he's developed himself quite well since he's been there, and we were there at Christmas time and got to see the wonderful city. So I'm very happy for it.
Olinde is a person very funny.
But he doesn't have that from me.
Are you happy today with to see Olinde here?
Yeah, very, very, very happy. Yeah.
You stay with Olinde yesterday or today?
Yeah, yesterday came to us and we had dinner together, and maybe we'll see each other a little bit after the game.
It's an important place, Manresa, for Luis?
Yeah. It's a small city, a great chance to play a lot more and to develop himself.
You stay in Manresa?
What?
You stay in Manresa?
At Christmas time. Yeah. Yeah, I've been going back in about 3 or 4 weeks.
And do you like the city?
Yeah. Beautiful. At Christmas time, there was a lot of lights. And went to the monastery. No, it was beautiful.
Thank you. Olinde's father. How's your name?
Wilbert. Yeah.
Thank you. Hasta la vista. A pleasure.